Alright guys, welcome back. We're at it again with 5 new pipes from the P lot. So these are pipes that I got from Poland. I assume most of them will be Mr. Brogs or B&B. We will see. This one has a very loose stem, wow. But this I think is an easy fix. It is a Mr. Borg, but the number is gone. The good thing is, I think it's just 27 actually. The good thing is that I think I have a pipe that's very similar to this. Remember these mouthpieces? It transitions more softly on the underside than on the top. On the top it has a more steep change. You know what, I believe I said the same thing about the other one I've got, but I do like it. It's an ABS mouthpiece. I have found that out since last time, but it doesn't really matter. They're decent anyway. Here though, the mouthpiece has a bit of chew marks, but that's what it is. And some miscoloration on the bowl outside, but the chamber is huge and it's clean. That could be a nice pipe to work on. Right. These pipes are not briar pipes. I think they're pear wood or something like that. Mr. Brog. They should be quite affordable, but decent smokers. Mr. Brog, we said 27, right? I mean, the 27 is almost gone, but it's there. We will go back and compare the 27 from the previous batches and see how they look. I'm pretty sure it's the same pipe. So we are at 21st video dash condition. It's not great, but it's not terrible either. I mean, the finish needs, I would definitely sand that down and restain it and then buff it. So that would be a 6. I think the mouthpiece is not worth working. You can get these as replacements from Mr. Brog for pretty cheap. I think it's 3 or 4 euros. So I will go through all my Mr. Brog pipes and just order replacement stems for those. I guess that's the best way to go about it. Do I like it? I do actually. I would put that at a 7. It's massive, bombastic, and still elegant and organic, isn't it? I mean, I like that the bowl is huge, but it tempers in towards a narrower chamber hole. Yeah, I like this. Will people like it? I don't think as much as I do. I'd put it at a 5 and then dash 1 because it's the first pipe of the episode. Good. Next pipe is this one. This is also Mr. Brog, number 35. You know, I'm pretty sure we've had this before too. Or not this one, but a similar pipe. Yep, ABS mouthpiece too. Oh, this has a stinger. I didn't know that. Interesting. Oh, there's no. I thought it was a crack inside the bowl, but that's just the. Let me look at my notes. That's the draft hole. But the contrast is so big between the walls and the hole that I thought it was a crack. The thing about this is that it looks like an unsmoked pipe, or a very well restored one. Again, the bowl is like an. Is this an apple? It might be. It's fatter at the bottom, and then it narrows up to a smaller opening at the chamber. The color I'm not very crazy about. But it is an elegant pipe. Good. Mr. Brog 35. Beta 21 dash condition is actually I have nothing to comment on the condition, so I would put that at, I mean, it's not unsmoked, but it's very close to it, so an 8. My preference is probably just a 6. You know what? I'll put it at a 5. Preference at 5 because I'm not crazy about it. Will people like it? I'm guessing a 4. And then dash 2 because it's the second video. Yeah, nothing special for me at least. The next pipe is this thing. Is this repaired? Wow. This is a B&B 022. There's a filter in it still. Let's remove that. It's a 9mm filter. The metal ring just fell off, so we would need to glue that on. Maybe after sanding it down and staining it. I like it has a bit of a rounded edge across the chamber, which is nice. Yeah. This is a nice pipe actually. Also a big one. Oh, it has a crack there. But because the walls are so thick, it doesn't go through. Yeah, it's not ideal. But I mean, for the price range that these go for, you can't expect much, can you? Mr. Brog, no, sorry, let's restart that. That's not a Mr. Brog, this is a B&B. Actually, I don't know what B&B sell for. B&B 022. But I'm guessing it's not the most expensive pipes you can get. Right, video 21. Dash condition. You know what, the whole thing is nice, but then you have the ring that fell off and the crack there, which could be just a deep cut or a deep scratch, but I wouldn't want to file that down to find out. So we'll leave it as it is. The mouthpiece is decent, not even chewed much. Could do it with a cleaning though. I would put that at a 7. Do I like it? Yeah. Enough to put it on as a 6. Will people like it? You know what? I think people might also feel like a 6 on this. Mostly because of the shape. It's a nice shape. And dash 3. Good. We've got 2 pipes left. Oh, you know what? All of the pipes in this series need a P after the number because the batch number is the P. Because I got these from Poland. So yeah, we're adjusting that on all the pipes. The next one, look at that. That's a 27 again. That's identical to the one we just had, just with a different finish. This has a different stain too, a dark browner, and then some rustification on just one side, which is interesting. Also has a filter in it. But all in all, it looks great. Also has some chew marks. The stem sits a bit tighter, but yeah, that's a nice pipe. Again a nice pipe from Mr. Brog. Mr. Brog 27. Did we get a picture of this? '27. And then it's the 21st video dash condition. This will need a bit more work than the first one, but mostly on the mouthpiece. And we did say that we could replace the mouthpiece just by buying new ones, right? So I might do that. If we do that, I think the pipe is decent. Yeah, actually, I would consider just replacing the mouthpiece, and then this. I wouldn't work on this, on the bowl. So I'll put that at an 8, really. Do I like it? You know what? I like this better than I did the first one. So I'll put that down as, what did we say here? 6. Then I'll put that down as a 7 for my preference. And popularity, we'll probably also go at 6. And then dash 4. Nice. Good surprise. Imagine that. 2 Mr. Brogs 27 in one bag. And this is the last pipe for today. I do not know what this is. Also with a filter, 9mm. You know what? It might be a Mr. Brog, but it doesn't have any stamp on it. Very interesting shank and bottom of the bowl. They have a very distinct pattern, doesn't it? I don't know what this is. Does this come off? No. Oh, there it goes. Mr. Brog 26. There's a metal ring at the lower third of the bowl that it has broken off, sadly. But this doesn't screw off, no. So it's decorative. Oh, interesting. Oh, okay. So the draft hole is at the bottom of this bowl and goes straight down here, which we can also see. So the bowl stops right about where the ring is, and the smoke goes downwards. This could be fun, really. Also, the bowl has an oval finish, so the sides of the bowl are a bit lower than the middle, which also is a bit interesting. I haven't seen this before. I mean, must have seen it, but I haven't seen this on other pipes. Again, the mouthpiece is a bit loose, but we might just buy one for the 26 and see if that doesn't fit better. Right. Interesting. Oh, okay, it has a crack there, but it doesn't go through. Yeah, not really great condition, but let's see. Mr. Brog 26. It's the 21st video dash condition, right? So it has a crack that goes all the way from there and down to there, but it's actually, yeah, it doesn't go all the way up to the edge of the bowl. So that's interesting, but nonetheless it might show some weakness on the inside of the chamber. Besides that, there's the ring here that has gone off. It's broken off. I don't know if I could hammer that in. It's worth a try. A bit dirty, but a toothbrush should be able to take that. And then the mouthpiece is a bit too loose. I mean, I could heat that up and see if that works, but then the bite marks up here, I don't know if ABS is good to be, I don't know how well ABS sands down. But you know what? I think ABS might work better with some acetone. I'll have to look that up. Anyway, condition is, there are a few issues, so I'll put that at a 5. Do I like it? I'm not a huge fan. I'll put it at a 5. But it looks spectacular, so maybe somebody would like it more than I do. I'll put it at a 6. And then dash 5. Right, these are the pipes for today. The Mr. Brog 26, the Mr. Brog 27, with some rustification and a darker finish. We have the B&B 022. Then we have a Mr. Brog 35. And then the first Mr. Brog 27 again. The twins. What do you say, guys? How was this lot? Interesting, huh? The 27s I like a lot. The old 22 I'm actually also fond of. These two I'm not a huge fan, but I mean, it's hard to not like pipes, right? All pipes have a charm. Good, guys. Thank you for watching. Hang around, and yeah, I look forward to the next one. Also, as a notice to all these videos, the ID numbers all need a P at the end. I forgot that at the rest too, but all the ID numbers will have a P added because they are from Poland in a badge that I got from there. Good. See you around to the next one. I look forward to that. Bye.